Hey guys!
Hi guys, it's the cool girls.
Oh, and I got my ears pierced. Again! And my haircut. Like it? Like it? Yeah. Yeah, you do. Yeah.
I didn't change. I'm eating macaroni.
Got a little weirder.
Okay, today the dogs are going to do peanut butter can. The first dog to get peanut butter off their nose wins. We have Daisy, Rosie, and Buster.
I hate you, Buster.
Be nice. Okay, we're going to put these on their nose, and the first one to lick it off wins. Okay? Let's start.
Okay.
I'm not doing it.
Yes, you are.
Mac and cheese.
Okay, fine then. Hold my camera.
No, you can't have the mac and cheese. Okay.
Okay. Now, who's gonna go first? Yeah, Buster is.
Guys, write in the comments below who you think did the quickest. It's gonna be hard for Buster. He's gonna try to lick it off. You can't have it.
Okay. Stop.
Buster, be good. Sit.
I don't like you either. He's already trying to get off.
Okay, we got peanut butter on his nose. He's gonna keep licking. Now we have Daisy.
Daisy, don't.
We're gonna try and do this. It's kind of hard. She thinks. Okay. We're gonna try Rosie. She's a little more calm, maybe. Okay, we got it on her. We got it on her. Okay. Okay, but.
Hey, Rosie, you want some peanut butter? Yeah, yummy. No, stay still. There, Rosie, you're officially my favorite. Oh, nasty. I hate peanut butter.
Looks like Daisy got it off. Buster's still licking.
Here, I'll put more on Daisy because
Yeah.
she didn't get that much. Buster got a lot. Buster's eating the container.
Got it. Okay.
Here, Buster.
Daisy, what
No, bad boy.
Don't you do it? You should go put the peanut butter away now. Do it now. I'm gonna get in trouble.
No, we
Daisy got it off.
aren't.
Good girl. Okay, Buster's gonna get some more on his nose. Sorry, guys. My fingers are a little... I'm eating macaroni, sorry.
Here, I can tape it now. Don't want peanut butter all over my new phone case.
Macaroni bowl. Macaroni bowl. Oh,
Macaroni sucks!
thanks.
Hey, Rosie, how you going? Oh, you're still on your first one, too. Huh? Buster needs a little more.
Looks like she's done. Daisy's done.
Buster, look at the camera. That's a funny one. Daisy, look at the camera. Yeah, look at. Oh, it fell off. Dang it. Getting peanut butter all over my jeans.
Okay, guys, write in the comments below who wins. We got a lot of silly dogs here. I think Daisy didn't lose. I think Daisy lost.
I think Rosie lost because she's still on
sorry,
her
no, I
first
mean
one.
Rosie. Sorry, I'm not
Yeah.
Rosie. Daisy, I think, won. Buster.
Okay, let's end this because I have peanut butter all over
Okay,
me.
guys, bye. Subscribe to our channel. Thumbs up.